Hello, friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Solomon, and I'm currently the scholar in Germany. As a Nigerian, I realize that many of us want to travel outside the shores of Nigeria or travel outside the shores of Africa to explore scholarship and learning opportunity. Many of us oftentimes want to go overseas to study. Why it is good? Nothing is wrong with that. I just realized that there are so many tremendous opportunities at home in the region of Africa that are oftentimes not spoken about. People don't even know they exist in the first place. And one of such opportunities is DAAD in country and in region scholarship, which is a very tremendous scholarship by DAAD. So as a DAAD scholar, I looked at this scholarship and realized that they are scholars that have a whole lot of opportunities that Africans can benefit from, Africans, Sub-Saharan African citizens can benefit from. So that's why I'm giving this short presentation on this scholarship so you could take advantage of it. So let's begin. So the focus of this scholarship basically is to raise human capital. It's for human capital development for the African continent. Basically using African higher institutions of learning to train Africans for developmental projects and programs in the continent, SDG-oriented field across Sub-Saharan Africa. So that's the focus, basically. So you are home trained, but the benefit is that you could move from one part of Africa to the other. For example, if you are from the western part of Africa, you could move to eastern part of Africa to learn. Okay, and if you are from the eastern part of Africa, you could come to the western part of Africa to also learn. And that's one of the beautiful things about this scholarship, basically empowering African scholars. So the next thing is that who can apply for this scholarship? Right? That's the next thing that comes to mind. First, it's a postgraduate scholarship. So those who can apply are those who are done with their first degree. So if you have intention of going for your master's program, you should be done with your bachelor's already. And if you already have your master's degree, so you can also take up the PhD opportunity on the scholarship also. Another major consideration in a bit to encourage more women, creates inclusivity and diversity. The scholarship is also encouraging a lot of female candidates to apply, and also those from less privileged regions or group encouraged by the scholarship to put forth their application. Okay, so what are some of those available degree programs? One thing I love about this A-region scholarship for Sub-Saharan Africa is that it's all encompassing. Yeah, it's all encompassing. So the opportunities covers different disciplines from public health and environmental health to engineering, natural sciences, agricultural sciences, mathematics, and social sciences. That's the first. And also the partner countries cut all across the Sub-Saharan Africa. So you can take advantage of the scholarship if you are a citizen of Sub-Saharan Africa and you can move from one part of Africa to the other. So now let's consider some of the benefits that comes with having this scholarship. So the first thing is that it is a fully funded scholarship. That is what you should know. So you are not paying anything from your pocket at all. So the scholarship takes care of 100% of your training, so it's fully funded. So now let's look at the breakdown of the benefit of the scholarship. So you have a monthly stipend for living expenses. You have tuition fee fully covered. So your tuition is fully covered by the scholarship also. Another thing is that your research and study allowances for academic resources is taken care of by the scholarship. So when you are done, you want to print your thesis, so the scholarship also covers that. Another thing is that the scholarship also covers your skill development. So summer schools and training workshops is covered by the scholarship. Travel allowance, so your cost of traveling from your home country to your institution of learning is taken care of by the scholarship. Aside from that, also they also take care of your health insurance. And the beautiful thing about this is that you also have an opportunity of short-term research stays in Germany. So you can come over here in Germany to also have research and also learn, but it's actually short term. I think possibly it's 3 to 6 months thereabout. So it's not a long stay. It is short stay, and I think that's also a huge opportunity for you getting some international exposure in the course of this program. So now that we've been able to see an overview of the scholarship, the next thing I want us to do now is that let's go to the scholarship homepage itself. So you can just come to Google and search DAAD in country and in region scholarship. So let's go. So why you just click on the first one. So and here now we are at the homepage of the scholarship. Now, let me bring this down. So we are at the homepage of the scholarship, and when you just scroll down, you see all the necessary details about the scholarship. The background, program objective, the impact, information for prospective scholarship applicants. Okay, so you have it here. For example, this information, let's go through it together. The in-country, in-region scholarship program supports academics with a bachelor's or master's degree in the region of Sub-Saharan Africa, Central and South Africa, South and South Asia. So this homepage is for all the in-region and in-country scholarships. So this is not only for the Sub-Saharan Africa. Okay. So and for those scholarships, these are the benefits you could see from here. Tuition, like I've covered before, these are the benefits. So another thing I want us to pay attention to is that for this year, the scholarship will be ending on November 21st, 2024. So you have to take advantage of it and quickly put forward your application before it closes. And that's the reason why, that is actually the major reason why I'm making this video. So you can take advantage of it. And this is November already. Okay, so you just scroll down and you come to this portion, pause for scholarship application, the scholarship database, and you click on this. So we've opened this, but we'll go back again. There's something I want to draw your attention to. We'll come back to today so we can get more details about it. So yeah, this portion of the scholarship, I want us to pay attention to some things in this region. Okay, so you have scholarship holders benefit from additional offers such as further education and training measures. These measures are designed to enhance and broaden the scholarship holders' qualification. Only scholarship holders of the in-country and in-region program may apply for this measure. So there are other benefits that comes alongside you winning this in-region and in-country scholarship, as they have specified here. So there are other opportunities you can take advantage of as an awardee or a recipient of this scholarship. So general information about in-country region program, as well as application process for the additional measures, can be found in the brochure, your DAAD scholarship, which each scholarship holder receive upon admission to the program. So there are also some other packages that are not unveiled now, that you can only take advantage of those packages when you eventually win the scholarship and you become an awardee of this in-country in-region scholarship. Okay, so apart from that also, you can also take advantage of the summer school. Can you see? So you can also take advantage of the summer school. So for the summer school, these are some, and when you have summer school, so these are some of the universities here in Germany that you can come to for your summer school. And these are the different programs that you can participate in. So this is also open to you as a recipient of the in-region, in-country scholarship holder. So these opportunities are open to you. So let's go down a bit again. A short-term research stay in Germany. If part of the thesis-related research cannot be carried out in the scholarship holder's university, or if a research stay in Germany would benefit the overall project. So basically, if you have some research to do and you can't do it in Africa or your institution of higher learning, so there's also an option for you of coming over to Germany to do your research. Okay, so you can actually come here and use some of the facilities and laboratories here, in Germany for your research work. Okay, so that's it. So I want to draw your attention to this, especially this area. We don't know other things that have in store for you by just being a recipient of this scholarship, which is not even unveiled now. Those ones are not even in the public. So you would get to know that when you become a recipient of this scholarship. So it means that there is still more to this scholarship than all we can read or see now. All right. So now let's go. Apart from that, after you have won the scholarship and you become an alumni, look at the benefit again. So for DAAD is not just focused on you during the period of your study or program. No. For DAD, it is more than that. So they also have a very large alumni network with a whole lot of benefits and opportunities that I want to actually draw your attention to. So look at it. It said, with the alumni offers, DAD intends to continue support for former DAD scholarship holders. As part of the worldwide DAD alumni network, alumni have access to several funding options. So just being an alumni of DAD, you have access to several funding options, okay? General information about funding options for DAD alumni can be accessed. So let me just click on this and let's just see. And you can see this is the homepage for alumni. And you can see like a lot of opportunity. For just being a DAD alumni, you open yourself up to funding program for alumni. Like you open yourself up to tremendous opportunity even after your study. Okay, you're either in country, even after your study in Africa. So who wouldn't want to be a DAD scholar? Yeah, either in country or whatever. Just being a DAD scholar opens you up to tremendous opportunity globally. And I don't really want you to miss out of that as an African. Okay, so but my focus now is not on the alumni, so I won't really be dwelling much on this. So you could explore this later on your own. But so let's go back to where I just want to draw your attention to this so that you would basically know what you stand to gain just being a DAD scholar, right? Either when you're studying and after your studies. Okay, so let's go back to the in-country and in-region. So I open it here already. So, right. So let me bring this here. So here, you'll be able to see the different opportunities that are open. First, this talked about the objective. Okay, so you just scroll down. You scroll down. So come down. So first again, it's talking about the value, like the benefit of the scholarship and so on. I think I've covered that. Yeah, I covered that at the beginning. Another thing is that you have to pay attention to the deadline, which is 21st of this month. Okay, so here is it. Let's say I'm in Nigeria and I want to participate in this. And I'm looking at, okay, let me explore this opportunity by moving from western part of Nigeria and exploring opportunities in other part of the continent. And I say, okay, let me go for my master's in energy technology at Kenya at MOK Anti-Invasive Agriculture and Technology. So what do? I just click on this. And you can see, immediately you click on this. Can you see? What happens is that it brings you to this page where you would get all the information you need for application. Yes, all the information you need. So let's go down a bit. You can see program objective again, application requirements for a master's degree. So everything you need to do are all spelled out. So I don't think you would have any challenge applying for the scholarship. No, every information you need, all the details you need are all spelled out. Eligible fields for a master's degree, place of tenure of a master's degree, duration and comment for a master's degree, the benefits that comes with the scholarship are all spelled out for you. Payment details are all spelled out for you. Additional benefit that comes with the scholarship, encouraged to apply for a short-time research stay in Germany for up to 3 to 6 months. I said that before. So all the benefits are all spelled out for you. It's a application and selection procedure for master's degree. So everything you need to do are all spelled out for you. For you to register, you click on this and it takes you directly to the portal for application. Application documents will be uploaded. All the documents you need to upload for this scholarship are all spelled out for you. Can you see? They are all spelled out for you. General information, you need further details, all spelled out for you. So all the information you need to apply for this scholarship, you have it all here. Okay? You have it all here. So let's go again and let's explore. Let's say I'm someone from maybe I'm someone from Southern Africa. I want to explore opportunities in western part of Africa. Okay, let's say I want to explore opportunities in a place like Ghana, or I want to go for it's a PhD in developmental studies. Okay, so where will I get that? Institute of Statistical, Social, and Economic Research. So University of Ghana. So what do I do? Just click. Can you see? So closes this date also 21st of November. So I just go around, just go. So the same way, okay, just all the details that you need, all the details that you need to submit your application are all provided here. So every information you need are all provided here. So all you just need to do is just download this document, then read it. Then you would have all the necessary guidelines you need to submit your application. So what I would do is that I would drop the link to this website. I would put them in the description. I'll put them in the description to this video, so you can easily access them by clicking. So you don't necessarily have to do the search on your own again. So that is the details about a scholarship. So on a personal note, let me add this on a personal note. For me, there are tremendous opportunities that come with this scholarship. And for me, on a personal note, one of the benefits you can get from the scholarship is that it also provides you opportunities as an African to explore the continent. Yeah, so for many of us, we have never had the opportunity of moving around the continent, exploring the continent, or meeting other people from other parts of the continent. Scholarship like in-region, and in-region basically, in-region and in-country, provides us such opportunity of moving around our own continent, getting to know people from the same continent like us. Imagine you from Nigeria getting to study in a place like Tanzania, Uganda, Botswana. It opens you up to new network across the African continent. Aside from that, also, it also provides the opportunity of having some short stay in Germany. Okay, and from what we were able to see now, there are also other funding measures, opportunities that come with this scholarship that DAAD will reveal to you when you win this scholarship. So I would just implore you to take advantage of this opportunity in the next few weeks when the application is still on. Okay, and also kindly share this content with your mentee, loved ones, like everybody you know. Kindly share. The truth is that why most of us want to leave the shores of Africa to study, which is great. I also don't want us to miss out of some funding opportunity for schooling, further studies and research within the continent. Okay, so we should also take advantage of that because they open us up to a whole lot of opportunities. And those opportunities also could serve as a stepping stone for many of us basically. And that is the reason why I am sharing this content with us. So once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel as I'll bring you more information plus scholarship opportunities, home and abroad, okay, on DAAD platform and other platforms as I come across them. Okay. If you have any challenge, any question to ask, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will address them. So thank you so much once again and do have a great day.